it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with this makeup tutorial right here. It has been requested. I see y'all comments. So I've been wearing this liner look in like 2 other videos that I did. Links for those videos will be down below, or I'll just boop. So there's one. And there's another one right there. So anyway, this is a super easy peasy liner look. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? If you're really good with liner, then you're gonna be good with this. It takes like 2 products to just go and ding ding ding. So it's like a little gradient liner. That's what we're gonna call it. Blue gradient liner here. It's gonna be looking fleeky and awesome and nice. Use the hashtag JustChab if you create this look. I'm not saying that I'm the original creator, but I did wear this and I did like it, and it came from my brain. It might have came from Instagram. I don't know. If I find my inspo, I will link it down below. And like I said, super easy peasy. Anybody can do it, and you can too. So if you want to get this super easy gradient liner look, then let's get started. All right, y'all. So first to start up the wang, we're gonna be using our LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner, and this is in the shade Royal Blue. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it, and you're gonna start from the outer corner. Have a little mirror like I do right here, so you know, Bobbi Brown, hashtag no spawns. I'm gonna take it and just bring it outward. Now when you're bringing it back in, pretty much what I did is I just followed, like you see where my crease is at, follow right above that, because we want this liner to kind of peek through when our eyes are open. It doesn't have to like show completely, that's all right. So we're gonna bring it in. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it halfway like this right now, because what I'm gonna do is fill this part in. This liner is like super creamy, so I already lost my point, so I'm just gonna sharpen her. Usually what I like to do is I will set the liner with an eyeshadow, but this I find really waterproof, so once it dries down, it stays down. If you do not use this eyeliner and you use a different one, just make sure that you set your eyeliner with the same color as your liner. All right, as soon as I start to fill in this inner area right here and completely cover it up, I'm gonna quickly go in with the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm gonna be using the color Saphyre, and I'm gonna pat it on while the liner is still moist. Moist. And that way that the color will stick on and it won't budge, it won't move or anything. And that way it'll like create that gradient effect and stuff. And then the rest of the liner, boom, nada, nothing. So let's do this. So remember to follow just above that crease. Hello, gradient, come through, gradient. All right, so now we're doing the other eye. Pray to the Lord. Lord, please help me. Gotta do this eye. Make sure they're even. That's the only hard part to this look. It was like whoop, whoop, boop, 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 done. Now we gotta do it to the same eye. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, so I have the eye shape now. This is like the meat of the tutorial. The meat, it's already been done. I am gonna put a little bit of something in the lower lashes and stuff, but it's pretty much the same thing as what's up top here. I'm gonna put on some lashes, I'm gonna put on some mascara, and I'm gonna put the rest on my face. Everything that I use will be listed in the description down below, so check it out. I'll work hard on it. Y'all be asking me questions. It's in the description. Stop asking me questions about what products I use. All right, let's go. All right, so the face is beat. All right, so I'm gonna do my lip, and because this is a recreation of a look that I did in a different video, I will be using the same lip. So for this, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipstick in the shade Single. I'm not gonna use the freckle. I'm not gonna be using the Freckle Fiesta one just because I feel like the lip will compete too much with the eye, so sorry to whoever requested it. I will be using the Rimmel London lip liner in the shade Tiramisu to line my lips. I didn't line my lips in the video where I did the review on this, pero if I wear lipstick regularly, this is what I'll do. So let's line the lips and get them all flinky and nice and plump. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the makeup look right here that some of y'all have been requesting down below in the comments. I do read them and I do respond. I don't have a lot of followers yet, but I definitely am very appreciative of y'all that comment and let me know what you want to see next, because my outros aren't just there for fun, okay? I'm really asking what y'all want to see next. So it's a really easy liner. It literally takes like 5 minutes. You use like 2 products. If you're good with wing liner, then you can be bomb with this. I changed it up a little bit just so it can fit the Chab thing. I don't know what that means. If you do recreate this look, please hashtag me at justchab, hashtag justchab. And that way I'll be able to see it and like it and comment, and it's gonna be fun. We gonna be friends. If you like this makeup look, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit that notification bell because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. See you next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.